Hey, what's up, text lover people? Hope you have made your penetration testing lab successfully. If you didn't make your penetration testing lab, go back to previous video and watch this video where I have taught you how can we make our penetration testing lab. After making penetration testing lab, you can go through this course. So, our today's lecture is gonna be on HTML injection. But before talking about HTML injection, I want to make you understand that what actually HTML is and how does it work. So for learning HTML, you need to first create one HTML file. So actually, what is HTML? HTML is nothing but it's just one scripting language which is used to make one website. Actually, it is used to make the basic website. Like every human body has a bone, right? And like this, every website has bone, and HTML is used to make this bone of any website. So this is not about HTML lecture, but I will give you a little knowledge about HTML. This is our cybersecurity course, and that's why I'm not going to describe everything in details. I will discuss a little about HTML. Actually, I want to show you right now how does it work. So firstly, we need to create one HTML file. So let's go to my document and let's create one folder. It's called prac. Now I'm going to open my terminal, touch index.html. You can choose what you want, okay, but its extension should be in HTML format. Okay, done. Now I want to open this file with my Atom text editor. Okay. So this is my Atom text editor where I will edit that HTML file. I will write one HTML code which is called h1 or header 1, and inside this I will write my first thing like hey, this is Tarek, and save it, minimize this and open with Firefox. As you can see, we got our result here. Hey, this is Tarek, and this is a little bit bigger, right? Let's edit another code. Okay. Let's write here h2. This is header 2, voice 3. This is header 3. This is paragraph. Hey babe, what's up? So save it and run it. As you can see, we got a lot of text here. First one is HTML h1 tag, which have written some bigger text, right? Which returns some bigger text. And the second h2, which is smaller than h1. h3 is smaller than h2. And paragraph is paragraph means it will create one paragraph, and span is nothing, just it is span to print something. This is just some HTML tag, but in case of website, they use some formalities. So I'm going to comment it. Okay, the formality is like this. Is HTML. This formality is like this. Okay, so let's say here inside of title, let's write welcome here, and this is body, this is head. Okay, actually we'll okay, so save it and write it, and here you can see this, we can see, and here you can see this, we can see here welcome here. Wow, that's mean what we have written inside this title, we will see this here. But the truth is we will work only this part, that's mean body part, because in a website we cannot use this part, we can work only this part, and this is our main thing. That's mean here in this area we can see only this area, that's mean body. From this to from this we can see whatever written inside this tag, we can see them in here. So this is the basic of HTML. Hope you can understand what is HTML and how to write HTML code. So see you in next lecture.